Hello, baby. And hello, Pocoyo, Pocoyo, Poco, Poco, Pocoyo, 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 Poco, Pocoyo.
Hi!
Wow, wow, look at that! Let's all clap.
Nope.
Shut up!
What's that, baby bird? You say that's the stupid ball bouncing you've ever seen in your whole life? Well, that's quite a compliment.
I would build a great wall. Build a great wall. I would build a great wall. Build a great wall. I would. China. 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 China.
You say that's...
Mom.
Well, it's certainly a stupid wall, but better than the...
Nope.
You say so, dear baby bird. What's this? Ah, baby bird obviously thinks your drawing is stupid, Pocoyo. Well, yes, of course it's...
Donald Trump.
But better than the...
Nope.
Well... What's that?
Doritus.
A red...
Doritus.
God bless inaugurated that tone has changed
Well, I
considerably. He
suppose
describes
nothing
President
less
Xi
will do
as a good
China.
friend.
Hello, Pato.
What?
Get out of my house.
Baby bird says you've played enough, Pato. It's his turn now.
Nope.
What?
Mountain Dew.
Shut up!
God bless inaugurated that tone has changed considerably. As a good friend. He's
Pocoyo says he's stupid, baby bird. He'll see you.
Never.
what? God bless inaugurated that tone has changed.
Stop!
Go to China.
Can any of you tell baby bird what or who is bothering Pocoyo?
China. 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 China.
He got elected inaugurated. That tone has changed considerably. He described
Donald Trump.
You told baby bird to
Go to China.
Do you really want to see him again?
Nope.
You'll have to look through this telescope.
China,
China.
Stupid,
Can any of you tell Pocoyo what he did that made Baby Bird?
stupid,
Go to China. Go to China.
That's right. After all, he only wanted to be your friend, Pocoyo. There, Baby Bird. Pocoyo didn't mean it. He just needed to be by himself for a while. Our flesh me. What's this?
Sorry.
That was an
stupid,
apology, Pocoyo. Hooray for
Nobody.